Today I'm going to be sharing with you a website that will pay you real money to watch YouTube videos. And before you go, oh, this doesn't work, this is a scam, these people have started again, blah 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 blah, please know that I am not your typical YouTuber. If your website ain't working, it ain't working. If it didn't day, it didn't day.
I'm actually going to be trying out this website she talked about in this video to confirm and give my honest review if it works or not. She said she's not like your regular YouTuber. So personally, I want to confirm. I've been looking for ways to make money and earn extra income. So as someone who spends majority of our time here on YouTube, it would be best if I make money while watching their videos. And I also know you'll be interested in that. So watch this video to the end. Let's find out together. She has a link to the channel in our description box, guys. I'm going to go there and click on it. Let's get started. Alright, we're currently on the site. Earn money watching new videos online. Get started. How does this work? We have partners at YouTube. Love all these things. Watch videos, refer your friends, and all of that. I'm just going to click on get started because that's why we're here. So I just click on my get started, and it's simply asking me for my first name, which I'm going to put in my first name. My last name is here. My birthday. Oh, that reminds me. Happy new moon, guys. We are currently in the month of September and it's 16 days to my birthday. Oh, welcome to my birthday month. So yeah, I'm going to fix in email address, then your password, create account. So one thing I must say about this app, it doesn't give room for someone to actually do what they want to do. It keeps popping out ads, and that was how I mistakenly clicked out the first time. So on my dashboard here, total views, I've not viewed any video yet, so my dashboard is showing 0. The watch balance, ooh, this is already showing $5. And in our video, she did state that if you sign up using a link on your dashboard, you have free $5. Ooh.
If you use the link in my description box, they will also give you $5 at first, something like that. Yeah, so be sure to use the link in the description box.
So number 1 ticked, I have $5 already on my dashboard, even though I have not watched any video. Account balance $5. So watch entertaining videos and earn. We have the first video, second video, and fourth video. And yes, she did mention in her video that every day you have access to watch 4 videos. So basically, you cannot watch more than 4 videos a day, so that the video will be able to go around and everybody can earn from the site.
In 24 hours, you can only watch 5 videos because they obviously have a lot of people on their platform and they want the videos to kind of like go around.
So the first video, if I watch it, I'm going to earn $0.61. The second one, I'm going to earn $0.32. Let's just do this and check, you guys. It's not opening. I'm saying video unavailable. This video is private. Okay, the video is private, so I'm going to click on video 2. Can you guys see? It's not opening. Is it that the site is currently not available? Let me click on this. You guys, I can't watch any video here. So what do I say about this video now? What do I say? Because I've clicked on video 1, it's showing video unavailable. This video is private. I'm clicking on video 2 and it's bringing me to this place. Putting on video 3, this is what is showing you guys. Is it that I don't know what I'm doing, I'm not doing it right, or this site is actually not working? Or as of the time she did make video about it, that's when the site was working. Because I was able to sign in, I have $5 on my dashboard, but why can't I watch videos from the site? Cookbook, what is diabetes? I've tried, it's taking me to a cookbook, but that's not why I'm there. I want to be able to watch videos on YouTube and earn from it. Let's first of all go to our comment section to confirm if people tried it and see what they have to say about the website. And I'm going to go to the newest, and currently works, is working. It worked, girl. After using your link, I just earned. As of last month, this website was working. So let's just say, when did she do the video itself? Oh, so she shot this video 9 months ago, and up until last month, this website was working. So let's just basically say the website is no longer working because she did this video 9 months ago, and under the comment section of this video as of 1 month ago, people are confirming that it's working, right? You see? This is the usefulness of this video. So just imagine you had gone to watch the video, and after watching, your hopes are high that you found a genuine site to earn money from, only for you to waste your time and then you find out that the website is actually not working. So I've saved you the stress of going through the hassle, right? I'm going to be trying out more videos like this to give you guys my honest opinion so that you don't go ahead to waste time when it's not working. If it didn't day, it didn't day, just like she said. So what you basically need to do is give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other persons, so that you can save them the stress of going through the hassle of clicking on the website, signing up, only to find out that the website is no longer working, right? So please give this video a thumbs up. And I don't want this to be your last time here. I would definitely want to see you over and over and over again. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe and bye. But now, what am I going to do with the $5 I already have on that dashboard? Because it does not even have a place where I have to click to withdraw my $5. So what am I going to do about that? And the name of the site is WinTube.